In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to ClickUp Workspace. This is a quick practical walkthrough you can follow as you watch. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite a teammate or collaborator so they can start working with you in your ClickUp space right away. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Sign in as you normally would and make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you manage more than one. You'll typically see the workspace name and your avatar on the left side of the screen. If something looks unfamiliar, use that area to switch to the correct workspace before you send any invites. Next, look to the left corner of your screen for the invite option. It's usually in the lower left area of the sidebar. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over the edge or click the expand icon so the full menu appears. The invite button may include a plus sign or sit near your workspace name. If you don't see it, you might be on a view that hides the sidebar, so switch back to your main workspace view. And if the button is still missing, it can mean your account doesn't have permission to add members. In that case, check with an admin, but otherwise, you're good to proceed. Now click Invite. A small window will open where you can enter the person's email address. Type it carefully and double check the spelling so the invite lands in the right inbox. If you're inviting multiple people, you can usually paste or type more than one address, separated by commas or spaces, depending on how your interface displays it. Keep in mind that whoever you invite will only see the folders, lists, and tasks you share with them later, so it's safe to bring them in now and fine-tune access as you go. When you're ready, click Send Invite. ClickUp will email your contact with a link to join your workspace. Let them know to check their inbox and spam or junk folders if they don't see it right away. Once they accept, they'll appear in your members list, and you can start assigning tasks and collaborating immediately. That's all it takes. Open your ClickUp account, find and click Invite at the left corner, enter the email address, and send the invite. If you follow these steps, you'll have your new teammate onboarded in just a minute or two. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in ClickUp.